Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. Today we're doing a very simple, easy, protective hairstyle. But first, I would need you to subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much. You guys, I have to be real with you for a moment, right? I've been sitting on this for a while, and I think it's time I actually say it out loud, right? I want this channel to be more than just hair tutorials, right? I want to bond with you guys, and there's nothing wrong with that. But I feel like there's a deeper conversation we should be having, okay? Now, when you go through the same situations over and over, same type of relationship issues, some confidence dips, and most times you just ask yourself, why does this keep happening to me? Like, that's what I want to talk about. And for me, that starts with numerology, specifically your birthday number, right? Now, I know what some of you are thinking, where you lost me there, but hear me out, okay? It's not about fortune telling or anything like that. It's literally just what day were you born and the number and what it implies. And believe it or not, it tells you a lot about your personality, your patterns, and why you react or act the way you do. So I'm not going to go deep into this today, but I wanted to just plant that seed before, because moving forward I'm going to be weaving this into the content here and the person wearing it, because they're all connected, you feel me? So we have numbers 1 to 9, right? And every number has its own independent individual meaning. For example, if you are born in January, or you're born on the 1st or 10th, you are a natural born leader, like you're perceived to be a leader. And if you are born on the 2nd, you are a natural peacemaker. You are the mediator and the diplomat. You have a very peaceful aura about you. And if you're born on the 3rd, or in the month of March and December, just like myself, you are a natural communicator. You're very creative. There's this beautiful aura about you that has to do with words and communication and just talking to people generally. And if you are born on the 4th, mind you, I said we have numbers 1 to 9, so I'm number 4 right now, right? And if you're born on the 4th, or on the 4th, or in the month of April, on the 22nd, you are a naturally responsible person and a hard worker as well, like very hardworking. People perceive you to be hardworking. You're hardworking, and people are you're very reliable. People look up to you. People walk up to you for assistance. And if you are born in the month of May, or you have a number 5 basically in your birthday, for example, you're born on the 5th, on the 14th, or the 23rd of any month, or in the month of May, right? You are an adventurer. You're a very freedom-seeking person, okay? And one good thing about you guys is that you are so much of a risk taker. That's one of my favorite things about you guys. For example, Paul Walker has a double 5 energy, and you can see he acted Fast and Furious, and it really did well for him. You can tell he's very passionate about it. And one thing about number 5s as well is that you guys are very smart and intelligent, and also very freedom seeking, and you guys love to travel. Travel is very important. You don't like to stay one place. And if you are born in the month of June, or you have number 6 in your chart, for example, you're born on the 15th, on the 6th, or on the 24th of any month, you have the number 6 energy. And the number 6 is all about nurturing. It's all about caring for others. Most of you that have number 6 are usually nurses. You love animals, animal parents, dog moms, and you guys are very nurturing. My dad is a double number 6, trust me, I know. Yeah. And if you have number 7, just like myself, I'm actually life at 7. You are a natural, in-depth truth seeker. You are an inborn researcher. We're talking Sherlock Holmes. We're talking Elon Musk. We're talking intellect, deep research. People that are very interested in finding answers to things that people ignore. Number 7, and when I mean number 7, that means you are very wise beyond your age. You have a very beautiful aura and energy about you that has to do with intellect and wisdom. Most of you are actually wise beyond your age, and that means you're born on the 7th, on the 16th, or the 25th of any month, or in the month of July. That's what I'm talking about. Now let's head back to number 8. Number 8 people are my favorites, literally, because 8 has to do with money, has to do with power, has to do with material success. And if you're born in the month of August, right, or you have number 8 in your chart, meaning you are born on the 8th, on the 17th, or on the 26th of any month, or literally on the 28th of any month, right? You have this energy of wealth around you. You have this aura of gaining material success. You guys are usually very, very power and purpose driven life, basically, right? And that's one of my favorite things about number 8. Number 8 are very, very wealthy. You see them in politics, you see them. Number 8 is usually the number of the CEO, the entrepreneurs, they love business, they love to build legacy, right? On to number 9. Now, number 9, I love number 9 because number 9 is known as the number of the humanitarian. These people are born philanthropists. They have this love and compassion for other people. They are extremely selfless, right? And when I mean number 9, meaning if it's either you're born in the month of September or you are born on the 9th, on the 27th, or on the 18th of any month, literally. And that's my favorite thing about number 9 because you guys are very selfless. I love you guys so much. Number 9 is also a very spiritual number as well, and that's my favorite thing about you guys. So let me know in the comments if I hit a nerve by really reading you based off your birth date, because I want to hear all of it. And I have a community, right, where we talk about all of this. You get to understand yourself in depth, your personality traits, why you act the way you do, and all of that. It's called the Self Blueprint, or the link is down in the bio. I'm going to share everything with you. Let me know if this hairstyle hits a nerve. Let me know if I rock this hairstyle, and let me know if you want me to do more of this kind of videos. Okay, I can't wait to see your comments. I can't wait to know your birth dates as well. Now, if you're interested in everything I just talked about, you can follow me on TikTok at royaljames_, where I talk about everything: your birthday, what they mean, why you act the way you do, and what the day you were born mean, and how it greatly influences your personality. We're not just going to talk about numerology here, numbers and birthdays. We're also going to talk about psychology, human behavior, why people act the way they do, personality types, just educating you about human beings and people and human behavior generally. Okay, let me know in the comment section what your birthday is. I want to know my birthday weight in the comment section. I am March 3rd. I can't wait to see more of yours. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe, and also let me know what your thoughts are about the hairstyle in the comment section. Bye. I love you.